In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grammarly's AI features in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your writing controls or simply want a bit of privacy, we'll walk you through the process step by step. First, we need to head over to the Grammarly website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Grammarly's URL, or just search for Grammarly in any search engine. Once you are on the home page, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so before you can access the settings we need. You'll see either an option that says I have an account or simply log in. Click on whichever you see and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Type in your email address associated with your Grammarly account, then click continue. If prompted, enter any additional details such as your password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Grammarly dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the admin panel option. It's usually found in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on that and it will lead you to another page where you can manage various administrative features. Next, you're going to click on your account, which should be visible in the admin panel. This will take you to your account settings. In your account settings, you will find an option labeled Feature Customization. Click on this option to proceed. You're now in the section where you can turn off specific Grammarly AI features. You'll see a list of features along with toggles next to each one. To disable a feature, simply click on the toggle so that it switches off. Each feature you turn off will no longer be active, allowing you to customize your Grammarly experience to your liking. And there you have it, you've successfully turned off Grammarly's AI features, giving you more control over how this tool interacts with your writing. It's always good to regularly check and adjust these settings to suit your preferences and ensure that you're getting the most out of the application without compromising on what you value most in your writing process. If you're ever in need of turning these features back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switches back to their original positions. Remember, it's about making Grammarly work for you in the best way possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating Grammarly's settings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy writing!